To change your cabin air filter on a Toyota Sienna minivan, you'll need to go to the glove box, open up the glove box, and you'll see a little tab here and one on the other side. And what you'll do is you'll pinch the walls of the glove box in just enough to get that tab to clear like that. So to show you again, see how I'm pinching it? I'm going to do the same thing to this side. And then you can lower the glove box. And here's your cabin air filter. It says up. Pinch this tab here. Pinch this one in. Take your dirty cabin air filter. Pull it out. Doing this all with one hand. Take your new cabin air filter. You'll see it says airflow direction. And the airflow is down like this. So the foam bits on both ends go there. I snapped it all in, it's nice and square. And you take your fresh cabin air filter, you slide it in, it can only really go in one way, and you push it in until it locks. There's another view of it. Now to put your glove box back in place, these are still engaged, they're like a little tooth. Make sure they're still on there. If it pops out, just pop it back in. But you see the bumper hits. So all you're going to do is you're going to bend, just push the side of it in, and there it snaps. This one you don't really have to bend. And there's your freshly assembled glove box. And after you're done changing your cabin air filter, you'll want to pop the hood. Here's your hood release. It's already open. Alright, under the Toyota logo, pull up on that little metal bar. You'll have this prop rod you can snap out and put it in the hood. This is your fresh air inlet for your AC system. All these little holes right here and over here. You'll see that leaves typically will accumulate and it'll be filled. So if this doesn't get airflow, your AC system's not going to function correctly. So just take those leaves, throw them out. So this is nice and clean how we want it. So now you can go ahead and take your prop rod out, snap it back in place, take your hood, hold it about 3 inches above, and drop it. And that's how you change your cabin air filter.